Okay, hello everyone. Hope you are well out there. This is Commodore Gamer and welcome to Fast Food on the Commodore 64 from 1989 by Codemasters. So I have reviewed this game on Amiga and it was really good actually, so let's jump into this version and hope the game starts here. Just see if I... It's a little... Yeah, I think we are on. Yeah, we got there sooner or later. So, okay, so I play as this character called Dizzy, and I need to go around here in this maze and eat all the fast food. So, starts out very easy here to just to get into the game. It's not a masterpiece when it comes to graphics. It looks kind of dark, dull and boring, but gameplay-wise, it's alright. So that was the first level down. No problem. Very nice jolly music here. Makes me very happy. So let's go and eat chicken here. Yeah, it's not very obvious what I'm eating here. What is this? Yeah, it gives me points, so why not? And this gives me some protection, I think. Yeah, invincibility. So no enemies so far. That was the last food. And I believe the red arrows slows me down or something, so I shall avoid that. And here is an enemy going on here. Oh shit. Now we have green arrows there. I don't know what to do. I shall see. Nope. Extra life, okay. So this will be a quick video because it's kind of repetitive, but of course it will be more difficult. I don't know how many levels there are in this game. I have not read the manual or anything, but I heard something like 20 plus or something. Ah, so okay, so that red drink destroyed the enemy, eliminated the enemy. Hey! Come here, chicken. Come on, get here, chicken. Yeah, it's a little slow-paced, but... Oh, shit. Yeah. It took some time to catch that last chicken. Okay, here we go again. So now we have two enemies going on here. Shit. Okay, so now it's faster. What happened? Did I pick something up? I don't know. And now it's back to normal again. And yeah. That was strange. Everything was super fast all of a sudden. So now there are 3 enemies here. Shit! Yeah, now it's getting problematic here. So now I need that red drink so I can eliminate. There you go. And that shield could have been useful now. Shit! Yes. I got the shield, I got the shield. So, okay, so now I believe I can feed on the enemies now, but I'm not sure. Okay, yeah. Please comment in the comment section the rules of this game, because I am not 100% sure here. But it doesn't really matter, I'm having a good time anyway. So this will be my last level, because I don't feel for playing anymore. Oops, okay, so now I speed it up and I died. So everything starts from the beginning of the level again. Ah, damn it. Oh shit. Last life now. Can I make this level? Everything slowed down now. Why did I do that? This is so tedious. Come on now. No! Come on. Yes. So there you go. I'm gonna call it for today now. So that was fast food on the Commodore 64. Some 7 levels. Yeah, it's kind of repetitive, but kind of cool. Don't look that good, but it's alright game, I would say. I'm gonna give it a 6 out of 10 for this one. So there you go. That's it for today. Have a good one, everyone. Goodbye.